This is the second time this week Lieutenant Jerry Holman has testified in front of this jury, and this is the second time this week the defense has poked holes in his account. Holman was the lead investigator of the investigation that began on February 14, 2017, a day after Libby German and Abby Williams disappeared while walking along the Monon High Bridge way above Deer Creek, and their bodies were found, their throats slashed, on the creek's north bank. Holman admitted earlier this week that while he was with Allen as state troopers searched his home in October of 2022, that Allen said to him, quote, "It doesn't matter, it's over," though the conversation was never recorded, even though Allen was told he was a suspect and had already been read his Miranda rights. Then during Allen's arrest 2 years ago today, Holman admitted he lied to his suspect, telling him that experts identified his voice as Bridge Guy, the suspected killer captured on Libby's cell phone on the bridge as she and Abby were being abducted. More than 20 times, Allen denied being the killer and said, quote, "Take all your evidence and just arrest me," which Holman did. Defense attorney Andrew Baldwin chipped away at the credibility of the 7-year-long investigation and Holman's account. As the investigator admitted, there was no video of him reminding Allen of his right to remain silent the day he was arrested because, quote, "We had a lot of technical difficulties," and "There's been mistakes made, yes." Holman also said for the first time in court that investigators believe Allen may have been interrupted during the abduction and murders because, quote, "He may have heard somebody." Holman also said he may have misled fellow investigators with his mischaracterization of the accuracy of a firearms examiner's review of the bullet found at the crime scene that reportedly was linked to Richard Allen's gun. Before the jury was excused for the weekend, Special Judge Fran Galt told the panel that next week they'll see videos of Allen's heated exchange with investigators. In Delphi, Russ McQuaid, CBS 4 News.
Russ, thank you. Well, the case now is going to enter its second week. Opening statements began last Friday. Since then, there have been several new developments that we've told you about. First, we learned there is no DNA or digital or forensic evidence that links Richard Allen to the crime scene. Then jurors saw new video pulled from Libby's cell phone. The 43-second clip in total is an extended version of this Bridge Guy video that you're seeing there. The new clip captured Libby telling the killer, quote, "We can't go down there." Libby's cell phone also provided new details on a potential timeline. Ping showed the girls at the bridge at 2:05 that afternoon. The Bridge Guy video was taken just 9 minutes later. At 2:31, the phone starts moving but stops 8 minutes later, indicating that is when the girls were possibly killed. Now at 10:32, the phone reportedly powered down at some point, but a new report by the state discovered that it actually woke up at 4:34 the next morning. It was originally believed that Libby's phone died, but testimony this week suggests that that was not true. Now, we also found out the only things found during a search of Richard Allen's home in 2022 was bullets and the gun in question. However, Allen reportedly told police after the search, quote, "It doesn't matter. It's over." Of course, we will continue to be your source for everything and anything that happens inside the courtroom until the final gavel. For now, you can visit CBS4Indy.com for a look at all of our extensive coverage on this case over the years.